Hello folks, this is Sammy from RV Ready in Lake Elsinore, California. Today I'm going to show you a video for a 2023 Coachmen Prism 24CB. That's corner bed, corner bath. So let's do the outside walk around first. Notice the Mercedes front end and the rounded molded cap with the window on top. We have the steps right here, fiberglass steps, not metal, so it's a nicer one. Slide out is pretty good size. On the outside here you will see the Onan 3600 propane generator. This is also a nice storage compartment, all metal on the inside. Walking towards the back, these are the new graphics, by the way. And we have a rear camera back here. This coach also has side cameras. Hitch, 7-way plug, and that's the receiver marking, 5,000 pounds, 500 ton weight. A ladder, which you hardly get these days. Huge storage, massive in this floor plan. This coach also has a tankless water heater. That means unlimited, sorry, this one right here. And this is a place for you to put a television if you want. This here would be the propane tank. And this coach has a 190 solar watt panel on top, but this is also an extra outlet if you want to add solar. So aside from what's on the roof, you can add more if you want. So let's go inside and see what are we going to look at. I'm going to go through the driver door because it looks like I locked myself out. So here we go. Here's the Mercedes door. One thing I want to point out about this Mercedes chassis, this one comes with memory seats and heated seats as well. The mirrors are power and adjustable. Seats has lumbar. Very nice leather seats from Mercedes. Also, I point out this smart steering wheel, which you can basically control a whole bunch of stuff from it. This unit, folks, has the MBUX Mercedes system, which is touchscreen and allows you to get apps, internet, and has bunch of safety features and assistance mitigation. It has the reads the signs on the freeway. It adapts the cruise control. If the speed goes lower on this cruise control, it knows that there's a construction or something like that, so it drops the speed on its own. It has blind side, so it's got nice stuff. This is way nicer than the one before. So I'm going to turn around now and show you this beautiful U-shaped dinette with drawers underneath on both sides. Beautiful new colors for 2023. Kitchen has an extra attachment to it. This coach actually has an oven and a microwave and a very nice refrigerator with the freezer on the bottom and the fridge on top. Very cool, modern. Now here's the thing. This is a corner bed, corner bath. It's the width of a full-size bed, but the length of a queen. Outside sink. Look at the storage. Lots and lots of storage. Tight, magnetic. This is the control center for the tankless water heater. Going to the bathroom. Of course, this is a 24-foot coach or some change, so it's a small bathroom, but it is reasonable for about a 6-foot guy to go in it and turn around and take a shower. It also has these nice squeegee kind of closures for the shower. Going towards the front, I'm going to show you that this is the overhead bunk area that you can put up, and it's on shocks, so it stays up for you to get easy in and out of the driver's seat. When you bring it down, I'm going to show you this shade right here. That is power shade. That is pretty cool. We also have a wireless charger for your telephone, television. These windows are pretty cool. Look at these windows. This, you go from the bottom up and complete shutdown. That's night. You go down and you got some daylight coming in. Nice in a frame. Very, very beautiful European design. So here it is, folks. Oh, I forgot about the fan. That's pretty good stuff. Come down and see us. RV Ready in Lake Elsinore, California.